The living room is a little bit of a mess. And not so much a living room as a toy room. Note the lack of any kind of formal furniture, or any furniture at all, except for small Adirondack chairs. Apollo Anton Ono is making his first round of the dining room table. Go Apollo! Woo!
I went to that over there.
Yes.
Over there.
Excellent. Now can you do it on the hardwood all by yourself? Kyle, who dressed you this morning?
I just dressed me by myself.
Excellent. And why did you choose that shirt?
I love it.
Because you love it. That's right. Look at him go! Woo! Ryan, can you go hold your brother's hand? Go hold Bro-Bro's hand while he skates. Can you please give it back to him?